Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
Our lead story comes in from Delhi, where BJP MP Mahesh Giri continues to sit on a hunger strike outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence to protest against the Delhi Chief Minister's allegations of murder link in lawyer MM Khan's death. Now, BJP leaders continue to back the MP, demanding either proof or an apology from Kejriwal. We are first getting a reaction from Dr. Harshvardhan.
Person who represents Delhi in Parliament, I have a suggestion to make to Arvind Kejriwal that he should stop this petty politics, and the best course of action for him is either to apologize, or if he doesn't apologize, to place things on record which he has been alleging, and if he can't do any of these, then he has to resign. There is no, I think, second alternative to this.
अरविंद केजरीवाल कल एफआईआर उन पे हुई, एक जनता को पता चलेगा कि सच कौन है झूठ कौन है। गृह मंत्रालय जांच करके बताएगा तो उसमें भी संतुष्टि ये रहेगी कि जनता को आखिर पता चलेगा कि ये जो केस हुआ है या ये आरोप इन्होंने जो लगाए हैं, इन आरोपों में कोई तथ्य नहीं है और इसमें मेरा कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है।
मतलब इस देश में यह कब से होने लगा कि कत्ल के आरोप अब डिबेट से सेटल किए जाएंगे, बातचीत से बहस से सेटल किए जाएंगे, आउट ऑफ कोर्ट सेटलमेंट होगा, ये कब से होने लगा। तो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण स्थिति है कि माननीय गिरी जी के पास कोई जवाब नहीं है कि एक कातिल को लेकर वो एलजी साहब के पास क्यों गए, उस फ्रॉड बेईमान बिजनेसमैन से जो इनके संसदीय क्षेत्र का भी नहीं है, कि गिरी साहब के क्या संबंध थे, तंवर साहब के क्या संबंध थे। और आप एक कातिल को लेकर एलजी के पास जाने का वक्त आपके पास है, लेकिन एक ईमानदार अफसर जो आपकी ही संसदीय क्षेत्र का है, उस शोक संतप्त परिवार से मिलने का आपके पास 2 मिनट का समय नहीं है। तो ये राजनीति, ये ड्रामेबाजी, लाइमलाइट बटोरने की जो की जा रही है, इनको मुबारक हो।
Well, my colleague Sharon is now joining us live from outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where Mahesh Giri is sitting on a hunger strike. This is day 2 of his hunger strike. And Sharon, what's the update from there? While Mahesh Giri continues to be on that hunger strike, more BJP leaders are joining in the chorus demanding an apology from the Chief Minister.
Well, you can see right behind me, Mahesh Giri continues with his hunger strike. He says that he won't move from here till he gets a word from the Aam Aadmi Party. In the morning, he also said that he wants, he demanded that Ministry of Home Affairs should investigate the case, and till the time he doesn't get a clean sheet on this case, he won't leave from this place. He's very adamant. We'll try to speak to him. Mahesh ji, आप कब तक ये धरने पे बैठे रहेंगे? As you can see, he's not able to speak properly because according to the doctor, his condition is critical, and his condition is not stable. So he's not able to speak because he has a dry mouth and he's not able to speak to anyone. But he continues with the hunger strike, and he says he won't move from here.